Hey there, it's Sharon, your guitar guide, helping you find your sounds. Today, I'm glad you're here. I've got a good one for you. It's Imagine John Lennon Guitar Tutorial, and that's coming up. Imagine there's no heaven. It's easy if you try. No hell below us. Above us only sky. Imagine all the people living for today. Imagine there's no countries. It isn't hard to do. Nothing to kill or die for. No religion too. Imagine all the people living life in peace. You may say I'm a dreamer, but I'm not the only one. Oh, someday you'll join us, and the world will live as one. Thanks for taking the time to stop by and watch this video. If you haven't subscribed yet, have a look around the channel. If you like what you see, go ahead and subscribe for more guitar tips and tricks. And don't forget to click the bell icon so you can be notified every time I upload a video. Let's zoom in and take a look at the chords we need to play Imagine. And they are C, F, A minor, D minor, E7, and G. And if you're not ready to make the F bar chord yet, let me show you an easier way to make an F like this. So you're going to cover strings 1 and 2 with your first finger, then use your second finger on the 3rd string, 2nd fret, and 3rd finger, 4th string, 3rd fret. So the intro of the song, it starts out on C. They're all down strums. And then F, C, F, and then when you go back to the C, so it does it twice. On the 3rd time, the verse starts. So it's 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, down, up, down, and back to C. And the strumming pattern for this is down, 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 up, down, 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 up, down. starts on the C, then it goes to the F. Imagine there's no heaven. Switches to F. Back to C. If you try. Back to F. Above us only sky. Next set of chords we need to remember. So it's C and F. And then it's F, imagine, A minor, all the people, D minor, G, and let the G ring out. So it's imagine all A minor, the people, G, then back to the verse. C, F. The verse, there's a C and a F 1, 2, 3, 4 times, and then it goes F, A minor, D minor, G, and when it gets to the chords, it's F, G, C, E7, F, G, C, E7, F, G, C, and then the next verse starts. So we just need to really remember C and F, and then we need to remember the chord progression of F, A minor, D minor, G, and then the next chord progression we need to remember is F, G, C, E7. If you get those 3 chord progressions, you'll be able to play the song Imagine. And leave me a comment and tell me what John and Lennon's song is your favorite song. And don't forget to watch that video right there.